Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to unsubscribe on all emails in your Gmail. Now, if you click on guys, make sure you log into your Gmail. Now, this will be a quick step. All you have to do is quite simple. You click on this more section, then choose manage subscriptions. Now, here you see a list of all platforms that you have subscribed to, or all platforms that send you subscriptions. So if you want to disable one, just click on this button that says unsubscribe, and then here you'll be able to disable it. So here I choose block instead, and then it will no longer send you emails. Okay, so basically that's it. If I tell I want to block or I want to unsubscribe from another one, for example this one which is called Facebook, click on it, then I'll click on unsubscribe. Simple as that. All right, so thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. We shall meet.